Ikomiti elibhekele izinxushunxushu ophikweni lwentsha yeANC lubonakala ludle umhlanganiso. Imizamo yalo yokuthi kuhlakazwe ithimba elijutshwe ukuthi libhekane nezinto ezithinta lolu phiko kuzwelonke igcine iphumelela. Isigungu esiphezulu ebesibambe umhlangano kulempela sonto sisemkele isiphakamiso esivela ekomitini elibhekele ukusebenza kwansuku zonke kuANC okuwukuthi kumele kusungulwe ikomiti elizokwenza amalungiselelo azophendla indlela yokuthi kugcine kuhlale ingqungquthela yophiko lwentsha osekunesikhathi eside ilindiwe.
We must commend the work that the NYTT has done to make sure that they increase this level of interest amongst young people to be able to join and swell the ranks of the ANC Youth League in their numbers.
Lelithimba elingasasebenzi linolwalo utaku olufaka phakathi uqhekeko kanye nokugxekwa kwamalungu alo aneminyaka engaphezulu kwengama-35.
We cannot undermine that there has been an outcry from young people themselves that they want to reimagine, rebuild their own organization. So we think that clarion call from young people is well received.
Leli komiti alikahlanganiswa kanti ke lizobe linamalunga angama-25 kuya ema-30 kanti ke azobe eneminyaka engaphansi kwengama-36. Izisebenzi zizobe zixhumana nezifundazwe ukuze kuphothulwe amagama alabo abazongenela umbango weyikhundla. Ikomiti elibhekele izinxushunxushu lethemba ukuthi uhlaka luzoqala libhekane nezinto ezithinta uphiko lwentsha bese kubhekwa engqungqutheleni.
What we do wish to see is that we want the structure to really be genuine in its rebuilding process and not just rebuilding for the sake of pushing a particular factional battle.
Ithemba lentsha eqenjini iANC ukuvuselela lolu phiko lwentsha lubhekane nezinto ezithinta intsha.